In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font in Google Sheets. If you spend a lot of time in Sheets, setting a clean, readable default font can make your data easier to scan and your spreadsheets look more professional. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to change the default font for the current file so new text uses the style you prefer. Start by opening a Google Sheets file. You can use a new blank sheet or any existing spreadsheet you're working on. With your sheet open, look to the top of the screen for the main menu bar. Next, click the Format menu. This menu controls most of the appearance settings in Sheets, and it's where the theme options live. From there, choose Theme. When you select Theme, a panel will open along the right side of your screen. This panel shows the current theme applied to your spreadsheet and lets you control the default look of your text and other elements. In the Theme panel, click Customize. Customize switches the panel into editing mode so you can set the font that will be used by default across this spreadsheet. Think of this as the master style that your sheet will follow, which helps keep everything consistent without manually changing fonts in every cell. Now, select your preferred font. You'll see a drop-down list of available fonts. As you pick one, the preview in the Theme panel updates, and you may notice changes in your sheet's text as well. Choose a font that's clear at the sizes you typically use. Sans serif options are often great for dashboards, while serif fonts can work well for reports. If you don't see your favorite, remember that Google Sheets supports a wide range of fonts. Just ensure you're choosing one that's accessible and easy to read for collaborators. When you're happy with your choice, click Done in the Theme panel. Clicking Done applies the theme changes to the spreadsheet. From now on, any new text that uses the default text style will adopt this font automatically. Existing cells that haven't been manually formatted usually update to the new default. If some cells don't change, it's likely they had a direct font override before. Removing that manual formatting will let them follow the theme. A quick note: this change affects the current spreadsheet. If you want to reuse this font setup, consider keeping this file as a template and making copies when you start new projects. And that's it. You've updated the default font in Google Sheets, creating a cleaner, more consistent foundation for all your data.